Meet the Herb Garden from Garden Bite, the first truly intelligent, beautiful, professional-grade automatic way to have fresh herbs growing in your home all year long. Whether you're a gardening novice or expert, the Herb Garden makes it easy. Just put a seed pod into the grid tray, add water and our custom plant nutrients, and that's it. The Herb Garden has a built-in computer that senses the environment and cares for your plants automatically. It uses the latest hydroponics technology and LED lighting, so your plants will grow 3 times faster than with other indoor gardens and 6 times faster than plants grown outdoors. And since the garden is connected to the internet, it's always getting smarter. The garden uses powerful LEDs to simulate the sun and optimize growth during the day, and gentle candlelight LEDs to illuminate your plants in the evening. The integrated polymer lenses and shrouds ensure all the light shines directly onto your plants and not out into the room. Best of all, the Herb Garden is a design piece that's built to last. We have only used the best materials and components. The outer case is made of 3 choices of solid hardwood from a local Massachusetts lumberyard. The light bar is made of a single piece of crystal clear acrylic, and the sleek black anodized aluminum grid tray lets you grow up to 39 small plants at once, or space them out to grow larger, full-size plants. All these components combine to make an architectural piece that will bring the modernized freshness of nature into your home or apartment. The Herb Garden app is connected to your garden's computer, and it will tell you when to add water, when to harvest your herbs, and even how to prepare them for cooking and which ingredients to pair them with. The app also has a curated selection of easy and delicious recipes to go along with each plant you grow. The Herb Garden truly is your no-fail way to bring the freshness of herbs into your home and cooking.
Hi, I'm Randall, the founder of Garden Bite. We've been working on the Herb Garden for over 3 years now. After thousands of hours considering every detail of the design and dozens of experiments to perfect all the technology, we're proud to bring the Herb Garden to your home. This is not one of those plastic planters that you'll use for a couple of months and then throw in the closet. This is a workhorse architectural masterpiece, a shining feature in your home that will automatically optimize the growth and care of fresh herbs in your home for years to come.
Help us bring the delight, design, and taste of fresh herbs into your home. Please, back us today.